Hello guys, what is going on? techroomuk here. So for today's video we have yet another product from MCHOSE. This is a magnetic switch keyboard. It's the A68 GT magnetic switch, meaning it has Hall effect switches and obviously rapid trigger with that. This is the box of it. The box looks actually really nice. On the front obviously we had how the keyboard looks, and on the back we have the back of the keyboard and the sides. It's 1.5 kg, model name it's 68, and I think it's got 16k of pulling rate, which is absolutely amazing. It's like double than most keyboards. 180 mesh zircon sand full aluminum body, RT switching functions, carbon fiber positioning plate, and ARGB ambient lighting. So obviously you can change the RGB to however and whichever you want. And yeah, pretty much that's it with the box. Let's go ahead and open it. I'm gonna show you guys what you get inside the box, and after that we're gonna put it to the test. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Okay, so after opening the box, this is pretty much what we get. As you can see, we have a couple of accessories, so let's go ahead and start with the small ones first. Right here we have instruction manual, quick user guide. I think this one is in Mandarin because the keyboard just came out, but if you scan those QR codes it will send you to the product page where you can find different language options in terms of manual. So give that a read, it will help you understand what this keyboard can do. We have some stickers, MCHOSE stickers. That's pretty nice. They always include stickers in their products. Even when I had my headset from them, the headset's absolutely amazing. They include some stickers, so that's a nice addition. We have two spare switches, the same magnetic switches you find in the keyboard. They actually feel and look really nice. We have a really good quality, branded as well, MCHOSE branding, keycap and switch puller. It's made of aluminum. It feels super premium. They have also included a cable. This is the cable that is going to connect to your PC or to your device, and to your keyboard. The keyboard has a Type-C port right here, and it will connect to it, and that's how you connect the keyboard to your device. Now if we have a look at the keyboard, this is how it looks. Obviously it comes with a dust cover. Let's take this off for now. This is how the keyboard looks like. Absolutely amazing. I love the purple color. It sounds really good for a magnetic switch keyboard. Actually feels pretty solid and pretty consistent throughout the keyboard, from caps to page up. I love the aluminum design. It looks absolutely amazing. And if I can turn it around, right here, as I said, we have the USB Type-C port, which will help connect the keyboard to your device. And if we have a look on the back, we have a metal plate right here on the back. Absolutely amazing. And for a rubber fit, I really love the feel of this keyboard. It feels really good. Right here on the side, some inlays with a bit of black and purple design. And pretty much that's it. That's all you get in the keyboard. By the way, the keycaps are transparent, but you'll get to see that when we connect the keyboard to our device. You'll get to see the RGB. So for now, that's it. That's what you get inside the box. I am going to go ahead now and set it up next to my setup, so you guys can see how you look next to a proper setup, and you can decide for yourself. But I'm telling you, this keyboard, it's super great. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Okay, so this is how the keyboard looks like when it's fully set up. The RGB is absolutely amazing in my opinion. To connect it was super simple. All you have to do is just connect the cable to your device and it's basically ready to go. I really love the feel of the keyboard as well. I'm going to show you guys in a second, but I wanted to show you guys the sides. So it's got some RGB lighting here as well on both sides, and it feels super responsive. I want to show you guys. So if I press the Windows key, it just pops up straight away. There's no delay. I don't know what the default settings are that come with the keyboard. I never mess with it. This is out of the box, but it feels super incredibly fast, responsive. I think the pulling rate out of the box it's 8,000. You can increase it or decrease it, but don't quote me on that. I'm not sure because all the instructions are in Mandarin for now. But it's an absolute gorgeous keyboard and it feels really good. I am going to go ahead and show you guys how it sounds like. So I'm gonna get as close as I can to the keyboard with my camera and I'm gonna be pressing some keys. So let's do that. Keyboard sounds absolutely amazing in my opinion. It's just great. It's just such a great keyboard. If you guys want to buy it, I will have a link in the video description down below. Also, don't hesitate to check out their website. They have amazing gaming peripherals and other amazing stuff. Again, their brand name is MCHOSE. They do really great stuff. And yeah, pretty much that's it. Thank you very much for watching and I will see you in the next one.